Hey everyone, what's going on? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video, I wanted to do this live just to show you how to actually build a affiliate marketing business and at the same time start earning from your YouTube channel. And I'll also show you a lot of examples so you can actually take this training and apply it and start to generate that consistent revenue. Okay, by the way, if you actually coming across this video for the first time, my name is Sanjeev and this is my Facebook page. Wherever you're actually watching this, you probably be watching this on YouTube, you probably be watching this on Facebook or any other social media platform. My name is Sanjeev and I specifically use YouTube automation channel to actually build up my affiliate marketing business at the same time. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest searched platform on the internet, and so you want to utilize YouTube and to actually grow your brand, grow your revenue at the same time, and also at the same time build your core audience. Because if you're actually doing affiliate marketing, if you don't have an audience, it's going to be very hard for you to even make any money. Okay, so that's what I'll be sharing with you in this video, the whole process, so you can actually take advantage of this and start to grow your online business. Okay, because I know a lot of you are actually coming across this my videos, and I have a lot of followers who are actually into YouTube automation. They're also into affiliate marketing. So I have actually combined this and crafted this unique way not a lot of people actually talk about, right? And it's pretty much in a faceless way. That's what I'll be sharing with you. So let me share with you my screen so I can actually jump on the training so you can see how all of this system actually works. Okay. So hopefully you can actually see my screen. Okay, so this is me coming on YouTube. I've actually typed in make money online. By the way, if you don't know what YouTube automation business model is, YouTube business automation business model is you actually hiring a team from website like Upwork, onlinejob.ph. It can be from Facebook group. Okay, and you hiring these talents and you giving them video ideas. They create the content for you, you upload those content on your channel, on your YouTube channel, and you start to get views. From views, you're gonna be getting paid from YouTube AdSense. And at the same time, because you're combining affiliate marketing into it, people who actually watch your video, they go to your comment section, they go to your description, they click the link and they go to your website on the back end, and you're gonna be having a automated system where they're gonna start to get your emails. Okay, because the whole point of affiliate marketing and the beauty of affiliate marketing is you don't have to talk to anyone. Okay, it's pretty much done automatically. Okay, so when you actually collect the leads from your YouTube automation channel, those leads actually go to your email sequence and they start to get emails on an automated basis. Okay, which is awesome. And on that email they'll get a link. When they click the link, they go to whoever's system you're actually promoting the affiliate programs, and when they actually buy it, you're gonna get paid. Okay, so you don't need to get a lot of views to actually make money from your affiliate business at the same time. Okay, because those people are actually looking to be earning income online. Okay, so they're really warm audience. So now you have to utilize your YouTube channel, make those what we call like a community, people who actually know, like, and trust your channel. So whatever I actually recommend, they will actually go and buy it. Okay, you're gonna be providing enough value in that video, and you don't want to be just selling. Like every video don't want to be selling. Okay, you want to be providing value in the video, and when you provide enough value in the video, people will automatically like, know, and trust you. Okay, so that's how you actually build your audience, and these people will actually look up to your channel. They'll be waiting for you to upload videos so they can actually go and watch it. And videos that the more videos you're going to be watching, they're going to be watching, the more revenue you're going to be making. Okay, so how this actually works is you're going to be typing make money online. Okay, and these are some of the channels who are actually doing this in real life. Okay, so as you can see, he's creating videos, everything got to do with making money online. Okay, different ways you can be earning income online. Like, as you can see, he's getting a lot of views. So if I actually search his channel on Social Blade, so Social Blade is a platform where I actually go and see how much a channel is actually making. Okay, so Social Blade, I'm going to Social Blade, I'll put his name in here so you can see how much he's actually making per month from just his YouTube channel. Okay, I'm not even counting his affiliate business that's he actually doing. So I can see Social Blade is an accurate, but it just gives a ballpark. Okay, so this is a make money online channel, and the CPM is about 10 to 15. I mean, RPM is like $10 to $15. So he's definitely making well over $10,000. Okay, just from his YouTube or YouTube channel. Okay, and he can be making another 20 30,000 from his affiliate. Okay, because every video that he publishes, he has affiliate links. Okay, so you're going to be providing this title and paraphrasing it a bit, and you're going to be providing it to your talents. And this because he's actually showing you his face to actually get the core audience on his channel, right? You're gonna be doing the same thing. You're gonna be hiring talents who is actually showing their face, and they're gonna be creating videos for you. You're gonna be giving them video title and just tweak a little bit so it's a little bit unique and different. And if I click on any of his video,
wow, I just built the most amazing,
like for example, if I click on this video, you can actually see in here he has a lot of different links. So passive income, he's got free trial, cheapest domain. So all of these things are his actual affiliate links. When people actually click it, so he's saying apply for mentorship. Okay, so when you click it, he's gonna be teaching you something. Okay, so that's how he's actually making more money from his YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how the business model works, and there's lots and lots of channels actually doing this method. Okay, you can see 5.3 thousand views, 15,000 views, 43,000. So let's just check how much he's actually making just from his YouTube or my YouTube channel. Okay, so let me click this link, put this link here. So Dave Nick, see how much he's actually making. So his channel is again make money online channel. So this playing up a bit. I want to see a different channel. Let's see how much he's making, because sometimes you cannot get the accurate, what we call, cannot get the accurate reading. So again, I don't know why it's showing that. So let me check on this one now. Click this. So so 1,000, but this amount is a lot more because this is a make money online channel. So he's making about $5,000 to $6,000, $7,000 a month. Okay, so a lot of channels actually doing this method. It's all about just replicating what other people's successful channels are actually doing, so you can replicate it and start to generate that ongoing income. So because this, you can actually do faceless channels. But why I like to do face, because people can actually now like and trust you, and whatever you actually recommend to these people, they will actually go and buy it. And this is free traffic, by the way. Okay, because this video will keep on working on your channel and keep on bringing views, month after month, year after year. So it's free traffic, rather than you doing some paid method where you continue to keep paying it. All right, and when you stop, you will stop getting leads. But with YouTube or my YouTube, you will continue to get views, and those views are real people actually. They really want to know how you can actually make money. So you're gonna be the authority on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how you actually start and pretty much grow your YouTube automation business. Okay, so we got someone actually watching from Kingdom. Hey, mate, how are you? Upendra is actually watching. So I was just showing how everything works. Thank you so much for watching. And basically, it's an awesome way to actually generate leads, because if you're actually doing affiliate marketing, you need to be getting leads on an ongoing basis. If you don't have leads coming into your funnel, coming into your system, you're not going to be making any money. Okay, simple. Okay, but YouTube, the power of YouTube is basically, when you actually create the videos, don't think that that video, if you haven't got much views, that video is dead. Okay, that video can start working from 1 year from now, 2 years from now, and get millions of views. And that's what this channel's actually been doing. Okay, because that one video, you just need a couple of videos to blow up on your channel, and that way you can actually get more views, more revenue coming on your channel. Okay, that's the beauty of YouTube automation. But here's the thing, like when people actually first start their YouTube business model or YouTube channel, and they promote affiliate marketing products, their channel isn't monetized. Okay, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Okay, for you to even qualify for YouTube partnership program. Okay, and they pretty much monetize your channel, and then you can, when you actually upload the videos on YouTube, that's when you actually get paid. Okay, but the issue is, it takes people a lot of time to actually monetize the channel. I know people who actually start YouTube automation business model or even YouTube channels, and they have a faced channel, they don't earn anything from it because the channel isn't monetized. Okay, but so what we actually provide is, we provide a already monetized channel, a channel that's already got 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so you can start to earn from day one, so, and you can create the videos yourself. It's not hard to create videos. You can create review videos on YouTube and start to generate that consistent revenue. That's the power and beauty of YouTube. YouTube and using affiliate marketing at the same time, it's awesome. And so what we actually provide, the YouTube channels which is already monetized, we also find a team for you. So whichever niche you want to get into, we will provide you team, and we will set up the whole thing for you, and we will pass it to you, so you know what to do from day one. Okay, so let me know if you got some value in this video. If you have any questions, you can actually drop in the comment section below, wherever you're actually watching this. You probably might be watching this on YouTube, you probably might be watching this on Facebook. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to give you more help and assist you to start this awesome business model. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and you have an awesome and a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.